Welcome back, dear patrons. Look what came in the post today. Cost me only another $40 customs, but you know, sometimes it's worth it. Let's see where we unbox this. I guess here. That looks good. Oops. Thing is, when they send this with FedEx, nobody cares about proof of payment or stuff like this. They simply forward it and you pay what is written on the invoice. So Whew, it's open. Need to see that I don't damage it too much, you know, for several reasons. So let's see. God, got stuck. Oh. No. Dun, dun, dun. Ah, there are foam blockers inside that the bow is nice and protected. I like that. It's from Spearman by the master Lao Zhang. He's from Jiangsu somewhere. And it's a Ming Xiaoshao bow, which has a string length of 49.2 inches. Has a max draw of 31 inches. Fortunately, I wish this bow would make 32, but you know, 31 is fine too. They directly give you a limitation in arrow mass, so arrow is supposed to have at least minimum 9 grain per pound. And what else? The price, $411 US, up to 45 pounds draw weight. If you want more, it costs more, but it's like with Marina. So, I don't have a lot of more information because on the website there was nothing otherwise written regards used materials or stuff like this. It's a laminated bow for sure. And for the rest we simply see what we get. There comes a sleeve. Oh, so finally. So what we get is a nice sleeve, thin but sturdy enough. Yes, you make knots, tight knots. I like that. So, good. Let's see what we get here. Bamboo on the back, bamboo on the front, and I don't know, actually something in the middle. A reinforced knock, and a nice string bridge, and a stamp there. So let's unroll this beautiful bow. So there's a little design-wise, a little like Tatar bow style. Ooh. Has a slight little flex in the handle, not too much. Is a 43 pound at 28 inches. The knocks are deep. The bamboo looks nice. Craftsmanship. Holy crap. In the middle we have a dark wood as handle. There is we have shark rayskin, I guess, and then we have here a nice whipping, a nice binding. Looks very good. Handle is in suede, tight stitch on the front, and so here we have, which bow was it lately, where we have this slightly triangular shape. So the front is a little more narrow than the back. That means, what can you expect? A pretty bow. What is missing? And that's $411 the bow, and of course the string extra 200. Just joking. String is of course included. The string. Oh, it's really good waxed. Let's see if we can undo it without. Oh, really? I'm still not Houdini. I don't know. So. And this is not going to work here. I don't like this. So. White center serving. Look at this. This is the center serving part. Good. Now we figured this. Now we figure almost the same length. So, but I assume this is the lower one. So let's string the beautiful bow. Really pretty craftsmanship. Wow. Handle I like, and it feels good. It's not shiny. It's this matte finish. I like this a lot. Because lately you get only this really glossy, shiny stuff. 34 pounds doesn't feel like 34. Make sure that the string is in, and you don't twist your limbs. Ho ho, how pretty bow. Let's see if it's straight first. Straight. Totally straight. Medium with no wiggle here. And medium wiggle here. So it's not the stiffest bow, the sturdiest bow, but it's not a flimsy bow either. The handle feels very good. 31 inches. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Up to there. Oh. They are 32. Smooth, 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 smooth. Look at this, huh? Up to there. And then you feel it. There it doesn't want to bend anymore. Here it's smooth, 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 smooth. And here you feel it a little going up, but still nice. Wow, 31 inches without stacking. Would most probably do 32, but of course they limit it to 31. And they have the reasons for it. But what I forgot, of course, Madonna. And you didn't tell me. Why didn't you interrupt me? Stop! Jump up from the couch, put your popcorn away. Look what I got. Thanks to, I forgot now the name, from Austria. I can now measure almost every bow in one go. Every bow in one go. Because we need, my God, is this music loud today. So, alongside the belly, because the string length is one thing, but you know, you want to know the length from nock to nock, the performance length, so to say. And there the bow is exactly 54.5. And it does 31. That tells us something. 31 divided by, what did I say? 45.5 gives you 0.57. 0.57. It's a good value, not the best, but not the worst. Stringing, is it easy? Would it be for a beginner? I don't know what the brace height is, there was nothing written. But yeah, even for a beginner, easy to string and unstring. Brace height is 7.5. Huh? Am I good? No, it's 7 inches. 7. So this is 7 then. See, this is 7 inches. But draw experience feels very good, and this handle design with this slightly triangular shape, awesome. 9 grain per pound. Now we need to find arrows for it. Pretty bow. Battery runs empty. You feel a little bend in the handle, slightly. Not a lot, but a bit. Can cause problems, but we will see. So, 9 grain minimum. This is a 9 grain arrow. It's maybe a tick too short. We see. We see this pretty bow. Ooh, fast. Oh, ooh, nice. So they are 10 grain. So for our reference then later. But they're a bit longer. Oh, doesn't feel too fast, but draws very nice. And with this handle, don't do anything, comes natural. Very nice. But on the other side, 410 bucks or 11 bucks. But this is in the price range of Paragon and Mariner. So. Wow. If you do a small movement or a big one, it feels awesomely good. I like this bow. For me, 31 inches is like with the General from Paragon. I wish they would have 32, but this one, draw experience-wise, goes there and then it stacks. So directly after 31. This bow directly feels like your friend. So you hold it and it instantly feels good. So now of course you can do Kasai, no problem. You could shoot Mediterranean, but I don't want to. You could do the other way around here, possibly because of this nice handle shape. I think you could even draw 32, but don't tell anyone. Holy moly. So, my way. And you can do your Gao Yin and everything with this bow, of course. Whoa, nice. Instantly nice groups. This bow is forgiving, so it would be even something for a beginner to start with, but I don't know if you want to start with a $400 bow. Wow, but pretty is not enough, not for us. 9 grain, minimum recommended weight. $197. $198. 10 grain. 303. Yes, of course. 190. Wow, even with 10 grain, 190. 191. We do it one more time. Ooh. Whew. So, 9 grain per pound. 196, so constantly up there. 198, almost 200, and with 10 grain. 190. 188. 192. So 10 grain, 190, bit plus maybe, plus minus, so 190 with 10 grain, and with 9 grain, almost 200. Let's wrap this up. The Ming Xiaoshao from Spearman, a really beautiful bow, build quality, premium. Nice bamboo limbs, as said, a dark wood in the handle, and a brighter wood, I guess, ash or something in the sears. Everything really fine made, no edges, nothing scratchy, everything well made. Nice string pad there, whipping nice, handle wrapping nice. The shape of the handle I like a lot, it's exactly for my hand. This is handle for my hand, thank you. And for the rest, draw experience, as you see, 28 nice, 29 nice, 30 nice, 31 nice, and then after 31, so it's 29-ish, 30, you feel it a little going up to 31, and then it goes up like this. But it feels very solid. A slight, oh, I forgot to mention. Why did I forget it to mention? Because I didn't feel hand choke. Nothing. Not even. See? Nothing. Little vibration, but you have this like in all bows. With 9 grain, a little. 10 grain. Better. So with 9 grain, it's really the limit for this bow, then you start feeling it in the handle. Was a shitty release. I shoot now only just for the sake a very lightweight arrow, 340 grain, so don't do this at home, kids. And then you, yep. So 9 is really the limit for this bow. Under you feel it. So the wiggle test is fine, it doesn't wiggle too much. It's a little more flexible than other bows we had recently, but it's still fine. It's straight, it's the build quality, very, very good. So Spearman does a really good job. Now what's her name? Lija LJA. Shishi for building this bow. Really nice handle, awesome. 9 grain, you have a little bit of vibration hand shock, but you can forget that. You most probably don't feel it, and with 10 grain, feels just fine. So no problem with this bow. Draw experience is very good. Again, nice, nice, nice. Up to 31, it feels like, and then 31 is, yeah, you feel it then. Then it goes up, but that's why 31. You could do 32, but don't do it. 31, just fine. So this bow is from our Patreon project, paid by patrons. I thank you very much. Now I need to sell this bow, and I will see who will buy this bow. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you in the next one.